as you know, today is May 1st, which is Workers' Day, a holiday here in Nigeria. So I and my partner have decided to take a drive to see the development going on around this area. So where I am right now is at Eleko. So we'll be driving through the Eleko road. Let's see how far the construction of that road has taken place. All right. So if you are ready to watch this video to the end, and if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please use the opportunity, click on the subscribe button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So when I post subsequent videos like this and many others, you are among the first to be informed. Without further ado, let me take you on the drive today. So come on to the next drive.